Good morning, students. Students, I am Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Let's continue with the topic, the fun they had, the chapter, the fun they had. Okay. In the previous class, we discussed. Actually, in this story, it is mentioned that Tommy found a book. Okay, Tommy and Margie found a book. In the book, it was mentioned about the future school, that how the future school will be. But what was the? But seeing that book, Margie hated that book, and Tommy's opinion about the book. Now we are discussing about what was the Tommy's opinion, what he thinks about the book. The book that Tommy has found is not about their type of school. At first thing that, see, the question arises that what are the opinion of Tommy related to the real book. Okay, the first thing that is not about their type of school. The school which is mentioned in the book, future school, means in that school what was there? The mechanical teacher will be there. Okay, which will not speak a single word but will teach the students on the screen. If you remember last time I told, and there will be the panel to submit the answer sheet and it will take the test just like a robot. So it's not of their type of school. Okay, second, it is about the school of the centuries ago. It is about the school of centuries ago. Students in the past had real men. In the past, means for the time being, we can consider it as we are facing the teacher who was the real man, and as a teacher who taught the boys and the girls. Okay, not as per the robots, not based on classes are not based on the robots, but the live teachers. Okay, teachers gave them homework and asked them the questions. They had a special building and all children went to school. Both students, girls and boys are sitting in a room. That means different classes are there. So they had a special building and all children went to school. All of them learned the same thing. All of them learned the same thing. Okay. So this was the Tommy's opinion about book. Okay. Okay. Now Margie's opinion about the old school. What Tommy was thinking about the book, that the school that was mentioned in the book was not of their type, means there was no mechanical teacher, and this book belongs to the school centuries ago. Okay, and the teachers were real, and the real teacher used to give the students the homework and ask them the question in return. Okay, there were the buildings. Okay, all the children used to go to school. Now Margie's opinion about the old school. First of all, Margie could not understand how the real man could be a teacher. First thing what she didn't understood was that how the real man can be a teacher. Nor she could understood how every student was taught the same thing. The two things that she was not understanding very well, that how the real man can be the teacher, because she never went to school. It was the time. Now it was the time. See, it is. It's time for Tommy and Margie for their school. So before going to school, the question arises that how the real man could be a teacher. Nor she could understand how every student was taught the same thing. Okay. Her mother says that education must fit each child's mind. Every children has different mind, different way of learning, different way of expression, different way of catching power. Okay, so the education of whatever knowledge or information are given to the student must fit in each one's mind. Okay, in her opinion, in Margie's opinion, those schools were funny. What schools which are having the real teacher and who teaches the same thing. Margie goes into the school room in her house where the mechanical teacher stands. So Margie goes to school room, and school room was where? In her house. In the previous class we have discussed this, that school room, sitting at your home, the school room will be available in front of you. Why? Because of the mechanical teacher. It's a robot and it can be placed into everyone's house. Okay, so mechanical teacher was standing when she entered into the schoolroom in her house. It is already waiting because the lessons are always at regular hours. The lessons are continuing. Okay, so it is already waiting. She thinks about the old school. Now when that time at the end she thought about the old schools and how the students used to had fun. Okay, used to had fun in the old schools. Okay, so that's why it is named as the fun they had. What fun they had? The fun means the children who are studying in the schools where the real teachers are teaching them, where they are not supposed to be in waiting, where for the mechanical teacher to give the new classes, the next lectures, okay, and teaching the same things, okay, and there are many things in live classes. So the fun, they students should understand this. That is the reason the chapter's name is given as the fun they had, okay, in the old schools. But in comparatively to mechanical teachers, you will be in waiting. You will no expression means no feelings. Okay, if a teacher, if suppose if a teacher enters your class and he simply goes through the things and things, nothing will be going into your mind, then what you will be feeling? Sleepy, isn't it? You must be knowing this. Okay, same as with the mechanical teacher, we can consider that teacher as a mechanical teacher, but the real teacher who teaches with examples, with fun, okay, means the students, as per Margie's mother, that education must fit in each child's mind. Okay, that is the reason that chapter's name is the fun they had. Okay, that's all for this class. Now we will start with either with the next chapter or we will start with the direct, indirect or whatever will be there as per the grammatical part or literature part. Okay, so that's all for this class.